In this video short, I will demonstrate one quick method for importing a full layer list in AutoCAD. It is a time-consuming task to create a full master list of AutoCAD layers. Once you have created the list, you should not have to replicate the task again. In fact, in order to draft to consistent standards and train your eye to recognize specific drawing details, you should try to use the same list along with the same layer colors, layer names, and standards. The best practice for importing layers is to simply type out a master list of the layers in your template. Assign each layer name to the correct layer from the Layer Property Manager list. Once you've completed this, make a wblock out of the layer list. Make layer 0 the current layer so that all of the text retains the unique layer properties when inserted into the new drawing. Select all of the text to be part of the block definition. Then select a pick point, which will be the future insertion point for the new wblock. If you are taking an AutoCAD class with me as your instructor, this wblock is provided to you. Download the file provided and store in a folder entitled wblock library somewhere on the computer hard drive. I do not recommend storing the wblock files on the desktop. Anytime you open a DWG file that does not include the layers, simply insert the layer list wblock. To do this, at the command line type Insert, return Enter key. Browse to find the master layer list file in the wblock library folder. Drag the master layer list from the wblock library into the new file. Check to make sure all the layers are now in the current DWG file. To do this, at the command line type LA, return Enter key. You can now delete the wblock master layer file from the current file. The layers and all of the properties assigned to those layers are now a part of the current DWG file. Save the file before exiting. It is worth keeping this wblock as a regular file within your wblock library, as it will save you a lot of time in the future.